Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Welcome back to the job, Pro Cutters. Today we put the electronic smart deadbolt on. We'll put the other deadbolt on. We got the head unit mounted for the HVAC. And let me take you out and show you. We've also mounted the exterior unit for the HVAC. Next step will be getting the power hooked up and having the HVAC company come out to pressure test, vacuum, and release the charge. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed this short. In the meantime, go ahead and smash that like button.